So we're back in the garden for week 11, and look what happened. We were away from the garden for a few days. We were real busy, just had time to water and didn't do our usual maintenance and harvest. And these squash, zucchini grew so big. If this happens to you, don't make the same mistake I made my first season gardening. I was making some zucchini bread and my zucchinis had gotten this big, and the recipe called for 2 zucchinis, and I used 2 of these, and as you could imagine, that zucchini bread was a little mushy. So make sure if your squash kind of get away from you that you adjust your recipes. So our peppers are finally taking off. Look at how colorful this bed is. We have some hot peppers over here. We have some different colored bell peppers, some green, some purple, some red, and some banana peppers up there. And come over here and we'll show you our eggplant. So over here are eggplants. This little eggplant was a flower last week, and it's matured into a little baby eggplant, and it'll take another couple weeks and then we'll be ready to pick those. So we're going to be harvesting some green beans this week, and as you can see, these are ready to go. So we're going to go through this bed and pick a bunch to make a nice salad, and we're going to add some tomatoes. Come over here. We have a bunch of little cherry tomatoes that we'll be adding to our salad as well. And this cucumber is ready for picking. Just give it a nice easy twist. It comes right off. So our lettuce is still doing really well. For some of this lettuce, it's been going to seed, and we've been trimming it back pretty regularly. But like I had mentioned, we've been away from the garden for a few days, and it doesn't take long for this to seed again. So we are going to be picking some of this lettuce and feeding it to the chickens. They're going to get a little treat tonight. And the romaine we're going to pick for our dinner. Here we have today's harvest. So check this out. This is the best part of the season, when we put all this work into the garden and we get to come over each day and see what goodies await us.
Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, check out our Instagram. There's always a place to leave your comments below. How about a thumbs up? And don't forget to ring that bell for notifications. We're doing new videos all the time.